Welcome to our channel Pet and Wild. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of chickens and learn 30 interesting facts about these amazing birds. Chickens are domesticated birds that are commonly raised for their meat and eggs, and they are also important for scientific research and cultural traditions around the world. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of chickens. Number 1. Chickens are domesticated birds that are commonly raised for their meat and eggs. Number 2. The scientific name for the domestic chicken is Gallus domesticus. Number 3. Chickens belong to the family Phasianidae, which includes other birds such as pheasants and quails. Number 4. Chickens are descended from the red junglefowl, a wild bird native to Southeast Asia. Number 5. Chickens were first domesticated by humans around 5,000 years ago in Asia. Number 6. There are more chickens in the world than any other bird species. Number 7. Chickens are social animals and establish a pecking order within their flock. Number 8. A group of chickens is called a flock. Number 9. Roosters are male chickens and hens are female chickens. Number 10. Chickens have excellent eyesight and can see a wider range of colors than humans. Number 11. Chickens can also perceive ultraviolet light, which allows them to see things that are invisible to humans. Number 12. Chickens are omnivores and will eat a wide range of foods, including insects, seeds, grains, and even small mammals. Number 13. Chickens have a unique digestive system that allows them to extract nutrients from their food very efficiently. Number 14. Chickens have a very strong sense of smell and can detect odors from a distance. Number 15. Chickens are able to communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including clucking, squawking, and crowing. Number 16. Chickens are also able to communicate through body language, such as fluffing their feathers or spreading their wings. Number 17. Chickens have a natural instinct to scratch and peck at the ground, which helps them to find food and also keeps their beaks sharp. Number 18. Chickens have a very strong maternal instinct and will protect their eggs and chicks from predators. Number 19. A chicken's body temperature is around 105 degrees Fahrenheit, which is higher than humans. Number 20. Chickens have a unique respiratory system that allows them to extract oxygen more efficiently than mammals. Number 21. Chickens have a very strong immune system and are able to fight off many common diseases and infections. Number 22. Chickens are capable of recognizing and remembering individual humans and other animals. Number 23. Chickens can live for up to 10 years, although most chickens raised for meat are slaughtered before they reach 1 year of age. Number 24. Chickens are widely used in scientific research to study genetics, disease, and behavior. Number 25. Chickens are used in many cultural and religious traditions around the world. Number 26. Chickens are the most common bird used in commercial egg production. Number 27. Chickens can lay an egg once every 24 to 26 hours. Number 28. The color of a chicken's eggshell depends on the breed of chicken and has no effect on the egg's nutritional value. Number 29. A hen does not need a rooster to lay eggs. However, a rooster is needed for fertilization if the eggs are to hatch into chicks. Number 30. Chickens are kept as pets by many people and can be affectionate and social with their owners. So, there you have it, 30 amazing facts about chickens. We hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating birds and their unique characteristics. If you have any questions or comments about chickens, please let us know in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos about pets and wildlife, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on Pet and Wild.